blackened shrimp.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to ZW Cooks. Today we're making blackened shrimp pasta. Quick, easy recipe that's gonna impress all your friends, especially this marinade. Let's get started. All right, now first thing we're gonna do is make the marinade to start. So we're gonna peel roughly 1.5 pounds of deveined shrimp. Then we're gonna mix it with 6 tablespoons of olive oil. I did 3 of extra virgin, 3 of pure. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of honey. Then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper, lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes. I did about a teaspoon each, and stir that. Then we'll place it in the fridge and cover for at least 30 minutes, preferably a couple hours. Then we'll chop up some more garlic for the pasta and bell pepper. So I did 1 red, 1 green bell pepper and a handful of garlic cloves. Pop in the pasta into the water and stir. Now it's time to sear these shrimp that they've been marinating. I did them in 2 different batches, just that way that they cooked better and blackened. If you do too many at one time, they're gonna wind up steaming and you're not gonna get that blackened color and crispiness that this recipe is known for. And we're done for the first batch, second batch. And now we'll sear these vegetables and saute them just to break these flavors down and assimilate them a little bit. And then we're gonna mix that up with some butter and our cooked pasta and shrimp, freshly cracked pepper, and parm to season. Throw a little parsley on there and keep going. Stir it up. And that's it. It's super easy, and you have got an amazing recipe that's gonna impress everyone. Look at that. Let's dive into the taste and see what we thought. What I really like about it, it had a pretty good pop. I put too much lemon pepper, which I didn't mind at all. And the shrimp were not overcooked. They didn't get too chewy. That'll happen really easily if you overcook shrimp. In the earlier part of the video when I was cooking the shrimp, the second batch, I cooked a little bit slower because those ones initially blackened a little more than I liked. So I snacked on those while the second batch was cooking, most of them. These shrimp were on sale for $5.99 a pound. I'm sure they're from Chile or Peru or somewhere in the South America, Central America. Figure why not pick up 1.5 pounds. All right, and now let's check out some substitutions. Instead of using lemon pepper, use lemon zest, like fresh lemon zest. You could also use fresh parsley and fresh thyme. Fresh is always better, but more expensive, and that's not necessarily what we're about here on this channel. If you are a professional working from home, you could easily just put together the shrimp marinade in a couple minutes earlier in the day if you have a break, 10-minute break, and then by lunchtime you can throw this together in 15-20 minutes, including cooking the pasta and sauteing everything, especially if you cook it on a little bit higher. So great weekday lunch. You could use salad instead of pasta too, and easily replicate this dish with a lot lower calories. Let us know in the comments what you like to eat for your lunchtime, especially seafood. I'm a big fan of seafood, and I think as more people stop eating so much red meat and turn to seafood, we'll see these sort of quick, easy recipes continue to catch on in popularity. Thanks for watching. See you later.